Testing, testing. Okay, cool. Good morning. What's up, Jared? So apparently there's no more copyright. So let's just turn the background music off. I'm gonna play some real music. So far charts right now we're consolidating. Alright. So we'll do an analysis shortly. But right now there's no trades. Most probably waiting for London Open, yeah. As you can see, both gold and GG are just in a range at the moment. Apparently it's no more copyright. I don't know if that's true. I'll find out. Okay, let's have a look here. Daily here on GJ, very bullish at the moment. Okay, there's a support resistance to the left. I've closed above that level right there. So you could say that we are now in this range, okay? We've got a bottom wick here on this daily candle. So if we can break these highs on the daily, we could potentially come up and fill the range here. Impulse entries on the break of the 4-hour high don't look too bad at all. In theory, if we break 4-hour highs here, we should see price move up back to this resistance. .30 pip stops on the break of, on the low of the 4-hour candle. That breaks the high. You see, I don't want to be rushing into trades as soon as I sit down at the chart. If price moves here, it's fine. Just want to finish my analysis and make sure that I have a plan for the day. So we've got resistance right here. Based off the daily, I've got targets, final targets at 166,870. What's up, DJ? What's up, Stev? $15-minute close on GJ could be good. Could be. Yeah, 15-minute close is looking really nice. I got the monster today. If you're wondering about gold, there's nothing on gold for me right now. So I want to just keep an eye on GJ as the 15-minute candle closes. I'm quite interested in Bazi at the moment. You're what? Right, that closure on the 15 minutes not gonna do for me. Watch us go and break highs anyway. No, I got my water as well. Always got some water on hand. Okay, let's have a look at gold. This closure on GJ wasn't really that nice. Alright, so gold daily has no top wick. We can expect this daily candle to come up and create a top wick, but overall you need to be aware of the higher time frame areas you're starting to tap into here. Okay, these are some very nice areas for us to continue or create resistance and continue moving bearish. Okay, price is currently in this range right here. If you zoom into a 30-minute, we've also got resistance over here. So if we can close above that resistance, we could possibly expect price to come up and create that top wick on the daily. So bars on the closure above 1720, 800 don't look too bad. Like I say, just be aware of the areas we are starting to tap into here on the higher time frame. Okay, highly likely that we could form resistance in some of these areas. Looking at your monthly candle, this top wick is actually perfect. Okay, we basically don't have a bottom wick on the monthly. We've come back up to retest this key area around 1700, creating a top wick on the monthly. This candle could easily still flip. I remember in August, this candle spent 2 weeks creating a top wick. We then still came back down, flipped bearish, and just about filled this wick. So we could easily form resistance here and come back down, fill this wick, and possibly even move to our targets at 1577 this month. But for right now, as price sits in this range, daily candle having no top wick, I don't mind the idea of buys to come up and create that top wick at 1726. Okay, let's play some real music here. Yeah, I highly agree, Jared. No top wick on the daily is the only thing really keeping me away from sells right now. Morning, Luke. What's up? Dion. Already had a look at GJ. Looking for some buys here. Need price to close above 164. Let's say 165. No, 164,950. Sells in this range right here on GJ don't look too bad either. Sells below 164, 370. I just like the fact that this range is quite nice and clean on the 30 minutes. If we could close below this support right here, we should fill this range with volume. The issue is with sells here on GJ is, of course, we are very bullish at the moment. So you need to be careful and wait for your confirmations. Gold pushing up right now. Not really worth the risk. There's no entries for me here. So if we break this high right here, we might just see price continue moving up and fill this range. I'll just let it do its thing. I need to figure out a way to separate the volume from the music and Discord. Playing music from a window. Carl, what the hell? Where did you pop up from? Okay guys, one more song and then I'm gonna hop onto Discord. There we go, perfect song for the stream. Money on the way, baby. DC, Discord. The man, the myth, the legend. How's it? Are you on here?
Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. It's quite
Clearly.
soft. Nah, it's very soft.
Soft. Okay, wait.
Oh, wait, let me turn my volume up. Speak.
Oh, yeah. So it was me or
Yeah,
you?
it's chilled. It's chilled, not too bad.
Alright, just give me 2 seconds.
Alright, your 30-minute candle closed quite nicely here by the looks of things. Closed above resistance. The issue is we've got London open in 30 minutes, so it might just be best to wait here. What? How dumb is this? So, someone makes a fake account, and I post something on my story basically addressing that this is my only account. Like, I'll never DM you or randomly comment on your posts, just saying like, please don't get scammed. And then this account posts my stories saying this is my only account. Seriously. The issue is it looks real, like it looks like my account. But what can you do? Right. If we break these highs, we might just push up here on GJ. This is the analysis, but as we were speaking about yesterday, trades 30 minutes before London Open, I'd rather just stay out. If we get entries earlier, I'm happy. Earlier than 8:30, I'm happy. But after 8:30, I would rather just wait for London Open. Yeah, the 30-minute close isn't even that amazing.
Alright, Dad, can you hear me?
Yeah, what's up?
No. I was just gonna speak to you because I'm on my way to call. So I'm driving right now while I'm talking to you.
Oh,
Um,
okay.
yeah, but I wanted to ask, are you busy?
I'll
I'm gonna go to
should be
trade
free
until,
after the stream.
yeah, because I'm gonna go to call and trade basically until we done with everything.
Mm.
And then I don't know if you're keen for the beach.
Okay,
We must do. I'm
let me
gonna
get
start
my
setting up.
car first at least. It should be done
What?
after the stream.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna sit and watch your stream until it's done, bro, and then you can go get your
It's breaking up. Sound like Jared now.
car.
Hey, sir, please.
Speak of the devil.
I was saying, we can go in my car to the beach if you want as well, or I can take you to get your car. It
I
doesn't
think
matter to me.
that would be nice if you could take me to get my car. That would be helpful.
No, but I can take you, bro, because I know your dad might be busy or something, so I don't mind.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Alright.
Shot.
You can do the beach if you want. I'm keen for the beach because we missed beach yesterday on a nice day.
Yeah. That sounds good.
Until you take a trade, because I can't watch YouTube, obviously.
Okay.
So I won't be speaking. I'll just be listening.
Oh, well. Yeah,
Alright.
you're gonna see the Lambo today.
Did you buy a new
Are we going?
car?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
got
I got
a
it.
Lambo.
Sheesh. So
Uh,
when can we come pick it up? Or when
Hurricane
can we come?
STO. Nah, I'm raving.
Nah, dude. Please don't joke with me about that. You know, it's a sensitive topic.
Next, while I'm driving into Discovery. What the fuck? Where did he come from in the Discovery? What's going on here?
Who's this?
What are you talking about?
My dad on the highway just pulled up next to me in a Discovery.
What? What are the chances?
Yes, Con. I still remember when we met. You're still driving that motorbike.
Is it?
Yeah,
No, man.
I promise you. Or you were selling it.
I think maybe I was selling it. Yeah, I got my car around about beginning of 2020, middle of 2020.
Did you what do you call it? I don't know what I was gonna ask right now. Jeez, I think I need another coffee before we start this. This is
Go
You
get
tell-
yourself a
you.
monster.
Jeez, yeah. Did you
Did you tell him
sell?
the,
Pardon?
huh? Did you tell him the color of the Lambo?
It's
It
orange.
has to be orange.
It's
Exactly.
orange.
Matches my hair, you know.
Matches your hair.
That's why it's basically mine.
What the hell, Jared?
Uh,
Fuck.
Connor knew what's up, dude. Uh,
Hey?
Connor knew what's up by getting a orange Lambo for the squad, dude. Obviously, the main owner, it has to match his hair color.
No, he
What
just said
the
orange
hell,
because
Jared?
him and the other day, and then there was an orange Lambo mentioned in our chat.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah, that actually is why I said it.
I know it is. It's like a mental thing. It goes into your head and you say it without realizing.
I'm not gonna
It's like a
lie,
normal
I
thing.
would prefer black. Black with like yellow
Me too.
brake calipers. Just to make
Black
it
and
look.
no fucking back bumper, bro. With
Yeah,
some nice exhaust.
take that back bumper
Jesus.
straight off.
No, dude. I think
Bro,
orange,
make
and
it keep
then
the back bumper. Sell it to me. Like, take some money off the fucking car. It's fine. Keep the back bumper. You don't need to sell it with parts.
Discount.
oh, dude. I think we get an orange Lambo with black writing that says, "I invested 500 rand into Connor."
Oh, goodness.
Yes.
Black with
Yeah.
red brakes. That's also sick.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, this is tricky here on GJ. I think for further buys, we might need to break above this level to the left here.
Just yeah, we're gonna go play some golf after the stream. So
Yeah, it's a nice day here today. So I think we also need to do something. Morning, K. You can come to the beach.
oh, dude, the gold's really irritating me without this daily top work.
Yeah, it's annoying. It's like everything is fine, but you just have to wait for that top wick.
No.
And now the thing is, we've pushed up here, so that idea of taking buys, anticipating us to move up and create that top wick, that idea is gone now. We don't have enough range moving up.
In all honesty, I get the idea, but I don't think I would have executed on that idea for the reason the previous hourly obviously closed like incredibly small bullish, right?
Mm.
And then we had that liquidity grab. So I feel like easily that could have filled the wick, rejected all the way back down. And then, I mean, that only would have left you with, 30, 35 pips for a like 40 pip stop. 58 pip stop, sorry.
What I wanted was just this 30-minute candle to close just above resistance, and
Yeah.
then If we had a steep enough wick, I could have used current candle stops. Maybe
Really?
even 15 minutes.
Yeah, that wouldn't have been bad.
There's a lot of volume. And gold does this where it has these candles like this. And you think like, okay, that wick is like more of a rejection than anything. We should push down if we break the lows. And it just goes whoop, straight the other way.
Yeah.
Fills that wick, continues moving.
Yeah, but I mean, oof, we've got such a small little range to the top there to create that top wick.
Mm.
Because if I'm not mistaken, the top wick or the daily open is at 1726.4.5.
Yeah.
So I mean, we've literally got like if 20 pips to create that top wick, and then we're just gonna have to see how it reacts in that zone.
Yeah, I mean, if we can form resistance there, you could even see this 4-hour candle come back.
Yeah.
And I mean, if that were to happen and this 4-hour candle were to break previous 4-hour lows, you then have a very clean range to the left. But I mean, I don't know, that's maybe a bit of a stretch.
But then, as well, on that point, I mean, we can drive all the way back. Excuse me. Sorry. We can drive all the way back down to 1689, in all honesty, to retest those wicks that created the resistance as a support to see if we can continue on up.
1689.
Do you see what I'm talking about? If you go to like the daily.
Uh,
I think that's what I'm going to try to be targeting. So obviously top wick daily, resistance to form, support to break, and then just drive all the way back down with that clean range on like the 4-hour.
yeah, I like this level right here. 1695.
Yeah, that's also very clean. I think we could even just split the trades to take partials at that point, you know what I mean?
Like TP1, TP2, TP3.
Yeah, sort of thing.
Yeah,
But more runners than anything else, you know what I mean? Not just blindly holding, okay, TP1, TP2, TP3.
yeah,
More like, okay, how does it react at that zone? You know, if it pushes through all the way, then we only close like 25%. And then if it starts giving troubles, we close half. And if it looks like it's rejecting off that support, we close 75%.
yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, I'm also just keeping an eye out for these sales. Right now, it doesn't look like it's ready, but at some point, maybe throughout the week or next week, we should start seeing some sell-off from some of these levels.
yeah.
If everything stays the same fundamentally, this is just a pullback on gold. So yeah, we could be looking at some deeper targets here. You know, if you get in at the right place, you could even have runners down to 1620. It's not impossible.
Yeah.
But that's like a swing trade. I mean, you'd maybe only reach those targets sometime later in the month.
Yeah, I could definitely see that happening where it's going to only happen a little bit later. Because to fall another, $100 is going to be crazy. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Um, GJ killing me with 40 pip moves, no retracement. Yeah, I also missed this move. This is what I was looking for, but just didn't like the timing of it. Look mean quick is going down, not bar. Okay. G Classens, I have no idea what you're trying to say.
Wow. Me and my dad were having a fat chat on the highway.
On the highway, through the window.
On the road. All the way through till about, just before batting. So when we hit this highway before this, my father wanted to show me what the thing does. And then he opened up. Then I fucking lost him. He was gone. So I caught the robot again before batting. But fuck. He's not driving a Discovery, sorry. He's driving the Land Rover Defender.
Oh, yeah, those things are nice in black. Matte
He told
black.
me 2.7 mil, bro.
Jesus.
Jesus Christ. That's retarded. I would never buy that fucking car for 2.7, bro. There's so much
There's
more you
so
can buy.
much more you could get for that price.
I would never. But hey, all to their own.
Gold and GJ are moving so similarly today, just like yesterday.
Dude, this whole week, I've been looking at it because usually I don't want to say usually, but they usually the inverse pairs. So if gold moves up,
Yeah.
GJ down.
Yeah.
So it's been very weird.
Sorry to disrupt you guys. If Carl's watching stream, Carl, I'm 2 minutes away from your house. If not, gonna please join me.
Carl, you hear that?
Don't know if you heard that, bro. That's the thing. Let's just see if I get the Innis outside away, it hurt me. Not then, fuck. Your stream is so valuable for phone calls, bro.
Hey? Yeah, no, GJ's just really hurting my feelings at this point. We might get a wick for you at London Open. If we can close above resistance with a wick, then we can anticipate price to then, with volume, fill this wick and potentially move to our targets at 166.
You see what Wayne said?
Didn't buy GJ purposefully yesterday. He thought it was gold, couldn't tell the difference due to similarity. And it went up anyway. So I've got bars above 165, 500 as well.
Jeez, I've taken my GJ trade for the year.
For the year.
I'm still in that USD ZAR trade,
Is it?
I'm still holding strong,
How's it going?
Jeez, I am a lot of pips up,
Let's have a quick look here. Flip, Jared.
Yeah, I got in at 1813.
18, 13.
Yeah. Somewhere around there.
My god. What's that? 500 pips?
Jeez, something ridiculous like that. But USD ZAR works weird with the pips and pricing.
Yeah, I have no idea how it works. I don't know if that's 500 or 5,000. I think it's 500.
All we know, it could be 50.
Connor, please find him.
Carl,
Just
Mark up the gate.
Mark up. Die fucking heck, Kyle. Maak het oop. I'll give him a call now. I'll be on.
Well, everybody, Jared actually called this trade out on stream. That's quite mad. Nice one, Jared.
Jared. Yeah, I'm still holding to 1700.
Have you secured like partials or anything?
Nothing.
Nothing.
It's not running with my usual lot, so it's not like super scary.
Yeah. But I mean, the way it's looking now, it looks like it should break those lows and continue to move down.
Yeah. But also, it's not on my like, I don't want to say day trading account, but my usual account.
Yeah.
So it's not like I'm constantly seeing how much I'm up or down or how much it reversed, or only check it like once morning, maybe in the night. And I was getting worried when it was coming back to break even the whole time. I was like, shit, man.
Yeah, that's the thing with swing trading. What is it?
Yeah.
Around break even for like 2 days.
Yeah, literally. Like it was on break even. So I got in on the 28th of September. 29th, it came back to break even. 3rd of October came back to break even. And now only the 5th it started pushing down. So,
Flip.
oh goodness. Love chat can sense we're having a good day. So now it's coming up there. Chat 69 there.
There's always a new one.
Just
You see, Jared remembers the old one. That's my worry, bro. You signed up. You're still getting emails or something, Jared?
Yeah.
no
He's still getting
comment.
his weekly email.
Daily email. I mean, what? I would never do such a thing. Were you in Florida, Con?
Nah, not yet.
Oh, yeah.
Next year I'm gonna go.
Oh, yeah. Move over or just gonna go visit?
Just gonna go visit.
Oh, yeah. Do you follow rugby? Yeah.
Yeah, I watch when South Africa plays. I don't follow it too heavily.
Oh, yeah. Did you see even Smith moved to the Sharks? Yeah.
Is it?
Oh,
I never saw.
jeez.
Who was he playing for?
Some overseas club.
Yeah,
I don't know exactly. I don't really follow the overseas rugby. He's playing for like, yes, I can't even remember.
maybe a French club.
Yeah, something like that. Remember they bought all of our players. Everybody went over.
Yeah, I remember even Franz Steyn was playing in. He was playing in France, wasn't he? That was long ago
Yeah,
though.
he was
Yeah, there we
playing for
go.
Toulon. Yeah,
Toulon.
she's did. Johan Etzebeth is a flippin' beast there.
What is G. Claassen saying? I think this guy doesn't understand English.
Gold makes me nervous. He
G.
buy. I
Claassen's,
know.
go find a Spanish stream, bro.
Shots fired.
You completely misunderstanding me. And you're trying to fight with me now.
He buy. Hello. Okay.
He buy. I don't buy nothing.
I need Lambos, boy. I'm just gonna
Going
delete
long on
those.
Lamborghini.
Yeah, I'm just gonna delete those in case people think, oh, he bought. Let's jump in. You know what I mean?
You think someone would do that? I hope not.
Yes. I hope not, but I mean, you never know. If you're in a rush, you just jump to a stream and you first message you see is he's buying. Then you're like, oh, what's he buying? Let's buy everything.
Buy Bitcoin.
So no, I'd rather flash my money.
Down the toilet.
Yes. Not even down my toilet. Come on, gold.
Dude, why would someone make a fake account of me? I post pictures with my chick. I don't even post much trading stuff. It's like a personal account.
Jeez. Shows you getting famous. Do you have TikTok?
Nah, I don't have TikTok.
Could you bring TikTok up without signing in or signing up?
Uh,
It's a web version.
Oh, you want to show? Did you get a fake account as well?
Dude, go into TikTok and search Triple F Trader.
I'm gonna look on my phone. Jesus, Jared.
Dude, no, this is a fake account of mine.
Nah, you've got like 4 or 5.
Dude, it's ridiculous. Yeah. I've got Triple F Trader,
Trader,
Triple F Trades, Triple F Trading, Triple
trader,
F Trade.
creator. Yeah.
It's flipping ridiculous, dude. And somebody actually sent it to me. And he's like, "Oh, bro, are you back on TikTok?" So I'm like, "What do you mean?" And he's like, "I just saw you on TikTok." And I'm like, "No, you didn't. I haven't had TikTok for like a year." And then I went and checked, and this Oaks legit copied all my content, just posted it on his own, and he's actively like scamming people in the comments and shit. And I was
It's
like, "What,
ridiculous. There's nothing you
dude?
can do though.
Bro, you can't even report it." Like I reported still when I had it, right? And when I had TikTok, people would make fake accounts. I reported, nothing happens, dude.
You know what? This
Yeah,
account now, um, the fake account of mine,
yeah.
they they blocked me. I can't even find the account. So
Really?
so cheeky. It's just I'm seeing other people send it to me.
And then I guarantee you, he's made another account where he's still stealing your content. You know what I mean?
Mm. Yeah, I've got like 6 DMs saying, "Bro, is this you? Bro, is this you?"
Yeah, that's ridiculous. Yeah.
Right, we've got 4 minutes here until London Open. Looks decent right now. We need to break above or close above 165, 500.
Just are you gonna if you take a trade at 9, I'm not on YouTube just yet watching you. So if you do take it, just read the numbers out, please.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
If we do, I'll send it to our group, Niku, as well.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, yeah. Jeez, Con, you're right. There's so many more fake accounts than I thought. Yeah. Flux.
You know, with gold, I'm gonna leave gold. I'm gonna leave gold. I mean, just looking on the hourly, okay, this looks like bars, obviously, but I don't like the idea of bars in this area. Look at your daily, how many rejections we have right here. To me, GJ's looking quite clean right now. We can see we created that top wick and we already rejecting that resistance. Can we use your method on the 5 minutes time frame? Support and resistance. Look, you just need to keep in mind that the higher time frame is always going to give you a better confirmation. So when I'm scaling in, and let's say I'm using a 5 minute to enter, my entries are going to look a little bit different to on a 30 minute or an hourly. 30 minutes, I'm waiting for that closure above resistance. And even if I'm using a 5 minute to enter, let's say, I'm still using my hourly 30 minute 4 hour levels. I don't go and mark up support and resistance on a 5 minute because then you're going to have levels all over the place. Yeah, look at us rejecting after we've made that top wick for the daily.
But also, if you are looking to trade like a smaller time frame, like the 5 minute, the 50-minute, whatever, still use the intervals of the higher time frame. So use the 30-minute closure. So let's just say at 9, or the hourly closure, 9 o'clock, 30-minute, 9:30, 9:15, that type of thing. That's also a decent tip that helped me. Do you agree, Con?
Sorry, Jad, I didn't hear you.
Oh, yeah. If you are looking to use like a very small time frame, like let's just say the 5 minute or whatever, then still use the higher time frame intervals. So what I mean by that is use the 9:15, 9 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock, 10:30 for those closures of the higher time frames in order to see a little bit more confirmation.
Yeah, I agree 100%. That's actually exactly what I do. Even if I'm trading a lower time frame, I'm still waiting for the 15 or the 30-minute candle to close to give me that confirmation, and then I'll scale in. So the idea is not necessarily to catch an entry on the wick, but let's say now this hourly candle, let's say we close above here, okay? That's my confirmation. Okay, we never closed above. Then your new hourly candle is starting to form a bottom wick. On your 1 minute time frame, or your 5 minute, let's say, what that will look like is just a pullback, support formed, and then continuation. So on that support being formed on the lower time frame, that's what I'd be looking at entries. But it's based off the fact that the hourly closed above. So right now, this is quite tricky. We never closed above. I can't do too much here. 15-minute on gold. Jeez, nice rejection.
Exactly what we're having to look for with the daily making the top wick, rejection from that zone. But I think if we're gonna take these sells today, possibly below 1717, eh?
Yeah, that's what I've got marked up.
Yeah.
I think that's safest because right now we are in a range. We've been pushing up. If this candle flips back bullish, we could fill this wick and continue to drive up. Like I say, based off the hourly, this is an uptrend. Looks like bars. But higher time frame, you look to the left. This is a rejection area, so I'd rather just be patient and wait for these sells to come. So if we can close below support here, you've got a nice clean range back down to 1712.
Yeah. Because even if you're looking to get into sells from that resistance, you've got a support sitting at 1721.9. So that kind of limits your range to go down because it could easily reject off that support to carry on up.
Yeah, this area.
Yes,
Yeah,
exactly that.
that's exactly why I would rather take sells below 1717. Because that area is going to be troublesome. If let's say you're wanting to take sells on the break of the previous 30 low, or even off the base of the 15, let's say you took sells on the break of this low, you don't have all that much range moving down until this rejection area right here.
Yeah.
Suppose it's enough range to go break even. 20 pips, eh? That's actually quite big. Doesn't look like 20 pips.
Jeez, it really doesn't. Yeah. But with the movement of late, yes, these little ranges are like 100 pips, eh?
Yeah.
Like just this consolidation from 1717 to like 1727, 100 pips. And it should be just
50.
consolidation, tight little range.
Yeah. But the moral of the story here is waiting for these safer trades to come to you. There's no point in taking a trade when you can see that it's low probability. Just because there's one bearish 15-minute candle, I'm not going to just randomly jump into sells.
Yeah, no, definitely agree. Cool, but I'll be back on in a second.
Cool. There goes my lights.
Did your stream just stop?
No,
Oh.
shouldn't.
No. Connor,
Yeah.
are you looking to buy GJ?
No, not right now.
Oh.
The only reason I've got this red line up here is that was going to be my break-even point if we were to take bars above here. So, no bars, nothing.
What happened that Jared deleted this guy's chat? This guy said gold makes me nervous, and then he buy lol. Okay.
Oh no,
Well,
Jared said he is concerned that someone might think that I'm taking a bar and then just hop into bars. So we thought maybe it would be best to just delete his comment. But I think he misunderstood like what was going on.
Bro, I mean, I don't think that's very unnecessary. I don't think we need to delete his shit, bro. Because I mean, at the end of the day, if chat chooses to take someone's trade out of a chat, then that's their own shit, bro. That's not your shit.
Yeah,
I mean, they get to listen to you, not to listen to someone in chat, bro.
is what
Unless
it
it's you
is.
talking in chat. So I mean, yeah.
Putin the moderator. Putin in the chat.
Oh, reject.
Maybe thinking if GJ comes back up on a current 30-minute to break its own high. Yeah, I was looking at that as well. Because right now price is forming a nice steep bottom wick. So we could use current candle stops. But yeah, I'm rather going to wait maybe for a 15-minute bullish candle closure above 165,500.
Hey, Connor.
Yeah.
Carl says if you put a donation thing on your stream and he comes on stream, me and him, he'll let me smack the fuck out of him if people donate money. That's what he legitly just said. If people donate money, he'll let me slap the fuck out of them.
But then I have to make a video of it so we can post it on the channel. Okay, so everyone who isn't subscribed, you need to subscribe firstly. Because once the channel hits 1,000 subs, I can put a donation button on the videos. And then if you guys can donate, you can see a boxing match.
A one-sided boxing match.
One-sided boxing match. Yeah, Kyle is just gonna go flying.
What is Luke saying he's gonna donate towards?
If people donate, Nico said he's gonna fight Kyle or something like that.
Can we donate?
Not yet. We need
Uh,
1,000 subs so I can apply for monetization. You need to be monetized to get that donation button.
uh,
40 more subs. I'm sure there's like 20 of you who are not subbed.
yeah, I'm gonna donate when you're eligible, and then after the stream, call you. Hey Con, yeah, dude, could you send me that money back? It was just publicity.
Okay. You want me to get your subs quickly, Connor? I
Hey,
got you.
subs.
I'll get you subs real quick, don't worry.
Go to gym quick.
Yeah.
But I'm about to go find live Forex trades and type in Connor Abrams everywhere.
Nah, that's swag.
I remember there was this London streamer, Luke Trades London, and then he was part of Market Fluidity or something, and Roger gave him a shout out, and dude, his channel exploded like
I can
from day
imagine.
one, man. Yeah, dude.
But apparently that oak
Ridiculous.
was like, wasn't he doing something funny? You told me, Jared.
Yeah. So, okay, I'm obviously speaking, I'm not one to speak bad about people, but I was very suspect because a couple times on his stream, he would keep quiet, keep quiet, keep quiet, and then a huge move would happen, and then all of a sudden he brings up his chart, and he's like, "Yo, guys, I got in here, I got in here. It's pushing, it's
Oh,
pushing, it's pushing," and then yeah, he in the beginning he was very good. I felt like he was very like transparent. He had a good way of trading, and then it started becoming weird where he was only showing his wins, and it just got very, very weird. I was just like, no, man, because you don't like, let's just say you had to get into a sell now, you don't tell anybody,
mm,
and then gold drops to 1712. Then you're like, oh, guys, look, I'm
100 pips.
110 pips up. Look, like, I don't feel like that's the point of streaming. I don't feel like it's to try and show like you can take 100 pip moves. It's more to show,
The,
listen,
the
this is what we're having a
consistency.
look at. Exactly.
Yeah.
And I feel like if you're hiding trades until you in wins, what's the point? You're only lying to yourself.
I mean, here's the record. I haven't actually updated the total pips for last month, but I'll add that up. But I mean, you can see here, every trade taken on stream is documented, wins, losses, everything. There's been negative weeks, and they're all documented.
But I mean, that's exactly it, because even before you get into a position, you'll say like, okay, cool, this is what we're having a look at. I'm gonna get in here. Okay, guys, I'm in. Oh shit, we're in a bit of drawdown. Oh, stop loss was hit. Let's have a look at why. You know.
Yeah.
Then it's like, cool. It's not just like, oh, I'm 20 pips up, guys. Oh my word, look at this, look at this. Like, no, dude.
Yeah, everything is done on stream. Every single
Yeah.
thing, my thought process, I'm going through it the entire time, what I'm looking for. There's some times where I'm hesitant with an entry and then price starts to move quickly and I think, okay, here's volume, and I'm putting buy stops in at the last second. But for the most part, you guys always know what I'm looking for. I
Yeah.
think Wayne yesterday said he's documented the last 3 weeks on stream, and we're sitting at 71% win rate. Which, I mean, win rate's not everything, but like Wayne said yesterday as well, if you've managed risk, if you've done what we've been doing here on stream, there's absolutely no way you could have not made money.
Yeah. What would actually be interesting is if we started, like, even if it's a funded account, or we started like an account and then we only took trades from stream on it, right? Like through copy trade or whatever. And then we my Forex book it or whatever.
Oh
We're
yeah.
not on Dodgers level yet. Jared, calm down, please.
That's
Hey,
what I'm
well,
just saying. Like that would be a good idea.
I did a funded challenge with just trades on stream. There were a couple trades from New York session, which I did take, but they were all based off what I was speaking about on stream, what I was looking for, or breakdowns that I gave on Discord. So in theory, if you had been on the stream, you should have been able to take those trades anyway. But at the moment, 90% of the trades I take are on stream. That bar stop, yeah, but
Yes.
me too. Me too.
Now, the worst thing in your sleep is when you dream about trading that you blew your account and then you wake up in like a deep sweat and you have to just check like, shit, was that real? Was that real? Was that real?
I woke up the other day from a dream. I made 4%, and I
Yes.
was so happy. But I like checked my phone, wasn't there. I felt like I woke up in Jordan.
Yes, I once had a dream where I blew my account, but it felt so real that I thought, like, just for like a minute, I thought, shit, I went to bed after I did that. And I was like so miffed with myself. And then I realized, oh shit, okay, no, it was just a dream. I just need to chill.
It's only just a dream.
Yeah.
So we're sitting at 45 pips for the week. GJ now on bar setup. Not really. 15-minute candle close, quite bearish. So I want to wait for the 30-minute candle close. There's potential for us to still push up here, and if we can close above resistance, then we'll have bars at 930.
Yeah, in all honesty, I think we need an establishment of a support because you can't really buy now just hoping it's going to go up because previous two 50-minute candles have both been bearish. This one's breaking the low. So
yeah, you'd need to see a bullish 15-minute candle here forming support. You'll see on stream. I'll never take a bar if the previous candle was bearish, and I'll never take a sell if the previous candle was bullish. I'm trading with the direction of the market. So right now, these two candles here, we're moving down. I don't want to be taking bars while price is moving down. I'd rather wait for support to form, a bullish candle, close above resistance, whatever. As long as we bullish, moving up, I'm happy to take bars. Yeah, there's a lot of volume off of this level.
yeah, and we've also got news for the pound at 10:30. That could also throw a bit of a spanner in the works.
PMR.
Yeah, and today's ADP.
Oh yeah, true.
Gold's coming down nicely there. She's gone. One of my pet peeves is the way you keep your investing.com, eh?
Well, what do you mean? Investing.com, I like it. Sometimes, I get used to using Forex Factory, and then there's just something that will annoy me, and I'll go back to investing.com, and it's like, okay, this is actually much better. Like, news is released so much faster on investing.com.
I'm gonna quickly send you a photo of how mine looks. I also only use investing.com. But yours, yes, dude, yours looks
Oh,
like
you're saying the way that I like my setup?
yeah, like go check mine on WhatsApp quickly.
No, I've seen yours. You use I think the American version or whatever. I don't like it.
It's so much cleaner, dude. Yours looks
Nah.
like a admin woman's desk that hasn't been cleaned in 6 months. So
What? This looks like 1995 computer software.
No, dude, it looks so much better than your cock.
Nah, this is classy. This is modern.
Ah, no comment there.
No comment. Yeah, let's see, yeah. Goldman, 165,300 is Fibo 50%. Okay.
Yeah, but with the fib, you need your RCI crossing your Bollinger Band going into 23-day moving average
I need
with obviously
the
a volume indicator.
divergence
Yeah,
of the Asian trading range.
yeah, and you need 7 trend lines, so it's a little bit hard to just go off the fib, you know.
Yeah, you need at least 20 more confirmations.
Yeah. I remember when I was still in Joburg at that place that I studied trading.
Yeah,
There was this one oak that he was like he made it out to seem like he was a lot more profitable than he actually was, if that makes any sense.
yeah.
And
No,
every
it
week
makes
he'd come,
perfect sense.
every week he'd come with like a new indicator or a new this. And he always used to sit in front of the like trading room. And then if on let's just say came on Monday, then you go Tuesday, and if you sit at the back, you just see everybody's screens has that indicator. And then
Flip.
everybody would have like 3, 4 indicators, and you looking there, you can't even see candles anymore. You just like yeah.
Morning,
Yes, that was
Luke. Thanks for the sub, Ali. Yeah, and some charts are just crazy. Some of the things I see on Instagram, man, it's
yeah.
insane.
Because also when I check on Instagram when people post their charts, especially when they're new into it and they're like, yeah, getting into the Forex thing and they have all those indicators that are just proved time and time again to be rubbish. I'm just like, oh, I could save you so much time.
I
You know, just
saw a page yesterday. They were just promoting an indicator that like tells you when to buy or sell, and they're just like promoting or they're just posting lifestyle videos like reels. They've literally taken someone else's reels of like obviously cars, boats, all of that, trying to sell this indicator. But I had a look at the indicator, and it'll be saying buy, but price is still going down anyway. Like you can just see looking at it, it's not gonna work. There's nothing like that that's really going to give you consistency. It's a pure scam.
There's also there's also this one indicator I've checked out before that I saw I think on YouTube or TikTok as well, where basically if you play forward candles, then it says sell at the top, right?
Yeah,
Um, but then candles fall like 50, 60 pips, and then it says sell where that top was. So it's
yeah,
like
that's the thing.
easily delayed.
They what do they call it? Like it paints late. They're delayed. It tells you
Yeah,
after the fact.
yeah. But it's exactly like volume indicators as well, because a lot of them only tell you the volume after the candle's closed.
Yeah,
So it's difficult to say like, yeah, listen, volume's coming into a market because it could never keep up with all the real world like orders that go into the market.
yeah. Price is
Because
telling you everything you need to know.
uh,
So quite a few guys have asked in the chat about volume indicators, but I say, look, you can see when there's volume in the market. There was volume on this candle right here. Okay, you can see that. Your indicator is only going to tell you that maybe 15, 20 minutes later, once that candle is closed. And by then, volume's already died down. So we could have anticipated volume here before it even happened. You don't need an indicator for that.
uh, because as well, on that point, when it comes to using indicators and everything, I don't think it's a bad idea in the beginning to get a sense of what volume is, but just understand it's not going to tell you where volume is coming from. So you could use a volume indicator to see, okay, 7 out of 10 times there's volume at London Open. So now I'm going to use that information to anticipate London Open pushing, if that makes any sense. So, and then when it comes to like the Bollinger Bands, then it could help a new trader identify an uptrend or downtrend, because we can just quickly 2 seconds look at a chart. Okay, it's going up or down. They don't have the same idea because
Yeah,
they're
they don't
using
have that
so many.
experience where they can just, like that pattern recognition. We've seen
Uh,
it so many times, you just know, okay, it's so clear the structure is an uptrend.
uh, so it's very, very difficult to use 100 different indicators to tell you exactly what the candle is doing, because especially when you've got three indicators, two is telling you buy, one is telling you sell,
That
but
was
then
that was the worst thing, dude. That messed me up so badly in the beginning.
uh,
There was a
myself
stage where
as like
I didn't know what to do with myself.
because even if you get into the sell, the majority sell, then you're like, shit, man. But the RCI, for example, played out for me last time. Now you have that like that flipping evil
Yeah.
thought in the back of your head. Oh, how long is this sell gonna last? And then the first time it comes back, even just retrace a little bit, you're gonna close, and then the push happens.
Yeah,
So
it messes you up. It messes with your confidence. If you have like, let's say three indicators, two are saying sell, one saying buy. That one that's saying buy is going to play on your mind, and you're not going to have the same confidence when you're executing.
uh,
Whereas when you're looking at price, it's very clear to see what price is doing, and you can execute with confidence.
uh,
We might close below here on gold.
yeah, I'm having a look at that now as well.
I don't know what we're going to do about stops. Maybe current candle stops if we get a nice top wick.
I was thinking the exact same thing. What time frame are you having a look at? What are you gonna execute on? Probably half an hour.
Yeah, probably a 30 minutes.
Uh,
I'm going to come now.
and just to chat, as you guys can obviously see with the higher time frames, with the top wick being created, that was one of our like thoughts that, listen, if you go and have a look at the majority of candles, you can always see that candles will 90% of the time, candles will always have a bottom wick and a top wick. So if a candle starts coming down without a top wick, the chances are that it's going to go up, create a top wick before moving down again. So just take that into consideration next time you're having a look at the higher time frames, that if there isn't a top or bottom wick, just wait for one to play out. Don't necessarily trade 2-1 for one to create one. So buys this morning, because it's very difficult to say, because it could easily just push down without a top wick for the next 2-3 hours and only create one in New York. So you just have to wait for what you're comfortable with in that sense.
Hey, Fatih says learning to read price is the best. 100%. So what we were discussing here actually played out perfectly. Said that this hourly candle, 4-hour candle, we're expecting to come up, create a top wick for the daily. From there we want to see what happens. But there is potential to reject that level, and we might even see this 4-hour candle still flip bearish, which I think it came back down to flip bearish. But at this point we're waiting for the 30-minute candle to close, and then I'm thinking to do sell stops on the break of the previous 4-hour low.
Yeah.
Even though we're not closing below, we've clearly had a very strong rejection here. There is volume. Previous 4 hours bearish. You got a nice top wick here. Got a top wick on the daily now. if we break these lows, we should fill this range to 1712.
I think what would also be very nice is if we close with the bottom wick on the current 30, create the top wick, and then the break of that low, we could continue down.
I
Connor
just
Sorry.
don't know Jeffrey Dahmer. Not personally.
Just what a random thing to ask, eh?
Yeah, very random. Nah, that's just sick. Sick. Yeah, I saw a little bit of the documentary, whatever, on Netflix. Apparently, he's Nico's uncle. Okay, let's have a look here. So what I'm looking at here is to have a sell stop on the break of the 4-hour lows at 17.500, and then use current candle stops. So right now that would be about 20 pips or so. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop on the break of the low, 17.500. I'm going to give it a little bit more space. So I'm going to account for a 35 pip stop. So adjust your lot size accordingly.
So stop at 1721.
Let me just look here. Yeah, call it 1721,1. That way, if we do come up and re-break this current candle high, we're not going to get stopped out of our position completely. Because in theory, the trade is still valid. But we can manage risk. And looking at the lower time frame, we do have some structure there at 1721. So stops above that previous high on the 1 minute. So
I think, you know what we should actually do today, Con?
what's it?
We should go and clip what we spoke about with the daily top wick and how it came to form one
Yeah,
for your Monster Money trading.
I was thinking that as well.
Yeah.
Do you know of a way that you can save clips? Because if I use the clipping tool on YouTube, it just creates like a link to go to the video, and it shows you that section of the video. Like it's not an actual clip that I can save or anything.
What you could also do is you can go and screen record it from your phone.
Yeah, that's what I did with the
What?
last time I made a clip.
Oh yeah. I think after today's stream, I'll go clip them for you. Then I'll send them to you,
Oh, yeah.
and you can somehow just create a reel on Instagram about it.
Sure, Jared.
Oh yeah, shit.
Yeah, I'll do that. I was also thinking about it, because it's literally exactly what we said. Came up, created that top wick, and now we're starting to drive down. So So one last time, these stops are based off the break of the previous 4-hour lows. Nothing to do on GJ. Still best to just wait for a break above 165,500.
Yeah, GJ's looking ugly at the moment, eh? On your sell stop there.
What's that? So what's the stop loss? 17.21.
Yeah.
Flat.
Yeah.
Oh,
And I think Con also said, if it breaks, if we get triggered in and it breaks the candle we're entering on high, then we can manage risk. Right, Con?
Sorry guys, I was muted. That's exactly it, Jared. Our stops are 36 pips. But if we break this current candle high, we can manage risk. Target 1712. I'm looking to have runners into 1701.
Can I someone put the trade idea in chat?
Hey, yeah.
Can I put the trade idea into the YouTube chat?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Yeah, break-even point's going to be at 1714, 750. Or let's just call it 1715.
yeah, I don't mind waiting for this to be put in, bro. The longer we wait, the more confirmation when it does come and put us in the trade.
Yeah.
You know if your car's ready.
I haven't heard back yet.
Okay. Are you gonna wait for the car, or are you gonna go to the beach and then when we come back, I'll drop you?
Yeah, we can do that.
Like we can go to the beach, and when your car's ready, we can just decide, okay, car's ready, another 30 minutes or so, then we go,
Yeah,
and we leave, and then I'll take you to your car.
that's fine.
Then I think we're buying ciders for the beach.
Who's buying ciders? Carl,
Yeah, me. So I don't know if you want to.
are you gonna have a dope?
Yeah,
Oh no.
sun, beach, or not?
Yo, Savannah's. Ha, those things the other day were so ugly. They hurt my feelings.
Rain man, stop being a bitch. Yeah.
You see, I have these bad influences.
What do you mean bad influence? We've been quiet the whole time, sitting on stream, waiting. You know. See, work first, play after.
Is break-even point where you move stops to break even? Yeah, exactly. So if we get triggered in here at 17,500 and price pushes down to 17.15, at that point I'll move stops to break even.
And close 50%.
Yeah, I'll probably close 50% right there. So as price moves down to 17.15, you move your stop loss to your entry.
Isn't your PE point always your halfway close?
Not
Close 50?
always, but this is quite a big break-even point. I mean, this is like
So
20,
where you
25 pips.
Oh, so we might close 75% this time.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
Yeah, 100%.
Look at GJ. It's moving the same as gold.
Okay, do you have a ball of sort or not?
What?
Do you have any kind of ball, like a soccer ball or rugby
Oh
ball?
yeah, I have a soccer ball.
Oh, wait, let's bring it.
Jabulani.
Are we keeping soft stops?
Yeah, I'm keeping them in. On my broker, sell stops are 17.40.
That's all brokers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, here comes the volume.
We're gonna get triggered now. It's inbound.
Yeah, sell stops inbound. Global trader. What's global trader?
Jabulani.
Huh?
I said Jabulani.
Jabulani's a soccer ball. It's that soccer ball from the 2010 World Cup.
Me and Carl are taking the piss because you being a funny guy. Because you said that after I said the soccer ball.
Oh, but my soccer ball is a Jabulani. Oh, my Forex Fund's broker, yeah, it's Traders Global Group. I don't know if you'd call it a broker or a liquidity provider. Mm, 15-minute candles closing bullish. Maybe not. Sell stops are still in. The idea remains the same.
Yeah, I like that it closed bearish as well. So if it
Yeah.
breaks a slow, just adds confirmations.
Yeah, it is much better that it closed bearish. Ooh, okay, we in. Sell stops have been activated. Stops are at 17, 21, 100 for 36 pips. Targets are 17, 12. Potential runners into 1701.
Yeah, and now we have two places where we can possibly manage risk if it carries on up
Yeah.
with the new 50 minutes.
We don't need to manage risk here. It's just going to run straight to TP before 10 o'clock.
Straight.
That's the attitude I like.
Manifested.
Gone.
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you put on the screen as well where you're going to close either 50% or 75? Or don't you want to? Just for the...
I might change it depending on how it runs here.
I feel.
If it moves down slowly, I'll close 75% at the break-even point. But if not, I'll close 50% there. Because it's a very clean range to the left. So I'll rather let it run. These ranges are quite big, so 20 pips is like a normal 10 pips.
If we get 30 plus pips into like... Sorry, there's just someone coming, I can't, so I'll speak in a bit.
Oh, okay.
Jeez, in chat 69 is back. Shows you're going to take profit.
What is it? Live chat was for drawdown. Chat 69
Yeah.
is for TP. Yeah, things have been good since Chat 69 has been around, actually.
Yeah. Jeez, I never thought the day would come where I'd say my life is better with Chat 69 in it.
Local moves.
I'm actually somewhat gonna go see what this channel is.
Do you think they have a channel on YouTube?
Oh my goodness, don't go YouTube it.
Wow.
My goodness. Trust me, do not. Okay?
Wait.
Don't do it on stream if you're gonna do
Nah,
it.
I won't.
You'll get banned now. Block some.
That 5-minute closed nicely. Goodness.
Nah.
I'm not on the channel, I just see... Yeah. Anyway.
Yeah. Jeez. I didn't know YouTube allowed that.
No, they don't. It'll get taken down.
Hopefully. Yeah. Dude, where's all Shaker?
He comes once in a while.
I haven't seen him in a while.
Bro, my chat 69 doesn't show anything. It shows no content on it.
Maybe you've got your settings to hide that type of stuff.
Wow.
Got
Send me
parental
screenshot.
guidance on.
I probably do, bro, because my son goes on my phone, so obviously.
Oh.
Yeah.
Send me a screenshot, Jared.
Okay, I will now. But jeez, dude, you might as well just go onto that special website, eh? Just
OnlyFans.
little something similar. But you had it on your phone, eh?
What? OnlyFans?
No, that Chat 69 thing.
Yeah. I didn't see the channel, but videos were popping up that shouldn't be on
Yeah.
YouTube.
Will you send the screenshot to Nico? Eh?
Let me see if I can...
Because I checked it on my laptop.
What is the channel called?
But yeah, okay, let me quickly send it to Nico then.
We're busy talking about Chat 69 and we
Quick,
in about like 15 pips of profit here.
Yeah, almost time for break even.
Almost.
Jeez, we mustn't get that in the clip today. Eh? About Chat 69.
Eish. Imagine.
Yes. Yeah.
Nah, enough about Chat 69.
I agreed on that.
It's a sick world we live in.
Ugh. I don't know how this is allowed on YouTube. Okay, Nico, I'm gonna send it on WhatsApp.
We're pushing down quite nicely. I'll close 50% at the break-even point. And then I would like to close out, let's say 80% at 1712. Yeah, I might even close out 90%. Just leave a tiny runner into 1701. Got in a bit early, 1719. It's not bad. Yeah, what's going on there, Jared? We at the zoo.
Oh shit, sorry, that's a bird. Let me just go chase him away.
Why at the zoo, Jared? That literally did sound like the zoo, eh, Connor?
It did.
Very nice, yeah.
One last little push. Come on, gold.
5 minutes gave us a little bottom wick to go full and break, bro. So we're chilling.
Yeah, our 10 o'clock candle's coming up soon, so I would like to get to break even. And yeah, the fact that the hourly candle is so close to closing, I think I'll close 75% at the break even point.
Oh wait, they're gone, yeah?
Okay, I'm
Break even.
closing 50% and moving stops to break even. Let's see if it pushes anymore. Otherwise, I'm going to close 75% before the hourly closes.
So that was a
Alright, I'm going to close 75%.
Right.
Yeah, about 23 pips. Risk-free trade. And we've got some runners here. What I'll do is I'll just keep my TP at 1712. Make it easy.
Okay, even if, just for chats, even if this comes back to break even on the new hourly open, you've still secured 25 or 23 pips you secured.
Yeah, 23.
Cool.
This is the 5th today. Stops with 36 pips.
If there was a waterfall emoji, I'd send it. What?
What?
That's what Wayne said.
Oh, Wayne. I saw Wayne say, "Come on, boys," just now. I'm just imagining, like, what's that guy's name? That meme. It's like, come on!
No idea.
Oh, never mind. Check out GJ. I don't know who GJ thinks it is. It's
I'm
acting
trying
like
to send you
gold.
a big emoji, yeah.
Jared, what is that meant to be? A racing car.
Yeah, but it's meant to be a Lambo, but they obviously don't have one.
Very nice, very nice. Yeah, we could see some pullback on the hourly. That's why I've decided to close 75% instead of 50. There's also always the possibility the hourly opens and it just drops. So let's see. One thing that's nice is we are closing below support now. So normally when I'm looking for sells, I'm waiting for a closure below. This entry was based off the 4-hour break of the 4-hour lows, anticipating some volume. Had a lot of volume on the previous 30-minute. So I was anticipating that to push us through once we broke that 4-hour low. That break-even point turned out quite spot on.
Sure, that was definitely on point there.
It was a little bit tricky to find a level because looking at the most recent price action, this is just a clean range to the left.
Yeah.
I was just looking a little bit further left, I think on the hourly. Yeah, there were these levels here. In and around this area. Resistance, resistance, support. Right, we're still in here. We've got a wick to fill on the hourly.
So what's the plans gonna be? You know, set for how long in the trade still? In the stream.
I'll give it like 15, 20 minutes, otherwise I'll call it.
Okay, cool.
I mean, this is a risk-free trade. So
That's what I'm asking. Yeah.
with your TP at 17.12, there's really not too much more to do. We've secured profit already. So we just have to let it run, do its thing.
Okay, but we're gonna start getting done, and then I'll give you a call when we leave. Then we'll just wait outside.
Okay, cool.
But don't leave right now, so don't stress. Alright.
Alright.
Cool, yeah, Con. After stream, I'm gonna head off to gym, so I'll clip those. We'll get those videos for you when I get back. Okay.
Okay, cool. No rush. I mean, I'm probably gonna be out a bit as well.
Okay, no stress. Yeah, but I'll definitely send them before tonight sometime.
Okay, cool.
Well,
Would you guys reconsider the Lambo for a Porsche?
uh,
Yeah, a GT3 RS is nice, but I mean, come on, man. You can have both.
Love them.
the Porsche is more like, I'm a 50-year-old businessman, or I'm a
Hell
housewife.
no,
You
dude.
know?
Those Porsches are crazy.
Dude, yes. One of my friends actually got a job selling Porsches.
Oh yeah,
And did you see the criteria they look for and what they look for? It's absolutely crazy.
like to be able to buy one.
No, to be able to sell them. Like,
Oh, okay.
even they give you whole like manuals and books and stuff, and you have to go in for testing, and you have to write tests on the different cars. And
Jeez.
dude, like, you have to know everything about them, eh? But obviously, I'm speaking from third person, so I could be wrong.
Yeah.
I remember him telling me all that, and I was like, damn.
Wayne, we'll make you a deal. You get the Porsche, okay? Jared, Nico, and I will split the Lambo 3 ways.
And we'll keep both in Pretoria.
Words lost, but
Yeah.
so that sounds like a plan, except for Jared's last sentence. That's
Yeah,
the only-
nah.
Just to go back to chart, we see the current 15-minute and the current hourly is breaking the lows. So that's also a very good sign that we're going to continue on down.
Yeah, it looks
We're
very
seeing-
good now.
So-
Structure on the 1 minute looks good.
uh,
If this candle comes back up and flips bullish, I mean, then we're in trouble. But like I say, we've closed out 75%. That's the majority of our position. Yeah, there's nothing to lose. Yeah, quarter mile Porsche kills those cars. MRB Connect. That guy's ready for his savannas.
I'm ready for my savannah.
Bro,
I
I'm
can't.
so sorry about your queen. What?
What?
I don't know. I don't know what he's talking about.
Because Gay can't come, she's staying at home.
Maybe. Maybe thinks I'm from
Maybe.
England.
Who said that?
Yeah?
Who said that?
Pikachu. I don't know what he's going on about.
I feel like anybody with the name Pikachu on YouTube, yeah, I don't know.
Why did I specifically choose that as my break-even point? So like I was saying, it was quite tough because right here to the left, we've got nothing there really. There's no level that's telling us, okay, price may react there. So I had to look a little bit further left. And I was just looking on the hourly. Hold on. And I saw this area. Let's see.
That was actually a brilliant way of describing it with that circle and resistance and support.
Yeah, like that's what I look for when I'm looking for a tradable range, is a nice clean range like that with no support or resistance that could stop price. So yeah, looking to the left, it's not that clean, but you've got resistance, resistance, support, support. So that area to me was a troublesome area. So I marked it up here at 1714, 780 or 775, and then I thought, okay, well, let's just move it up a little bit to be safe, 1715. That's basically how I got to that break-even point. So a little bit of guesswork, but it worked out quite nicely. I mean, we never went back to our entries, but that's the idea behind a break-even point, is just a level where price may react to. So you've in a profitable trade, you don't want to go back into a losing trade. So at some point, I always want to be going break even if I do plan to hold a runner. Experienced estimate. Yeah. Yeah, I can't lie. Like I say, it was a little bit of guesswork. There wasn't really any level to the left. I even looked on a 5 minute. It's just clean range down to 1712. This might be the second TP in a row. I'm going to move my TP up a little bit. I'm going to put it at 1712 600, so 6 pips less. It's just a level here that I don't like.
Just for chats, even if you thinking about leaving a runner all the way down to like 1700 or whatever the case may be, it would still be a good idea to close a little bit more at that. You said 1712.6.
Yeah.
Oh, because we do have some sort of support in that area, and we've moved down hectically at London Open, so wouldn't be a bad idea just to secure a little bit more if you guys are still in the position.
Especially if you're keeping in mind what's going on later in the day. We've got ADP, okay, we've got ISM, and then on Friday we've got NFP. So, you know, it's nice to be seeing this volume and being able to take advantage of it before news. We just have to be grateful, and that's why I've actually moved my take profit from 1701 up until 1712. Just to be a bit more conservative, be grateful for the profits that I'm making here before the news. Oh, you Scottish lad. Maybe my ancestors are Scottish.
Are you Scottish, man? No, I'm a Forex trader. What?
I do the Forex.
Yeah.
Day done, gaming time. Yeah, all the boys are gonna go chill now. Have some ciders. No.
Except for me, because I'm still scoping out a good position to keep the Lambo in Porsche in Pretoria. So sometimes you make sacrifices for the lads, you know? Come on. Push, gold, push.
It's nearly there.
Yeah.
6
We've
more
literally
pips.
got 6 more pips. He has a strong African accent and you hit him out with the Scots. Oof.
The fuckers are probably fucked up.
Would you guys say I have a strong African accent? It's so weird when you like from a place and you're used to the accent. You don't think that you have an accent. But I suppose everyone has an accent of some sort.
Jeez. What would you say is the worst accent?
To be honest, when I hear like heavy Afrikaans accents on TV, I don't like it. I think it's quite cuck.
Wasn't Afrikaans accent or Afrikaans rated the sexiest
Lucifer.
language in the
But it
world?
is, yeah, apparently it is.
Lucifer, they had that bitch talk Afrikaans, the demon. I don't know if you guys ever saw that. Yeah, they said she was speaking a demon language or whatever, and then she speaks Afrikaans, man.
What?
I promise you.
When you say African, it's strong. Baby, what are we? We are Zimbabweans. Yes. See, that video lives rent free in my head there. Closed full. Thanks again for the beautiful call. Enjoy your day, guys. Awesome
Are,
stuff, MRB.
are you trading later?
Hey?
I'm streaming later.
Oh yeah, guys, I'm gonna stream this evening. I'll be on around 5:30 South African time. So for anyone who's working normal hours and can't make the stream in the morning, or you just listening in the background, hop on this evening. That's why I'm doing the evening streams, is for you guys who are working now. We'll be trading indices, NAS and US 30. Am I going to trade NY? No, not today. We're going to trade some CFDs tonight. Yeah, I'm doing the NAS and the US30.
The way you said that.
Man, we're so close here.
Jeez, I don't think it'd be a bad call to call this position coming into the quarterly close.
Pardon?
I don't think it'll be a bad call calling this position coming into the already close.
The what
Seeing as we've
close?
the 50-minute close.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could see some retracement on the new 15.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let it do its thing. It's right here.
Okay. We got about 9 pips to go, so it's really not much.
Yeah, Australian accents are also some of them are myth.
Have you heard the New Jersey accent?
I like New York. I like New York accents.
Really?
Are women hot in Cape Town? I wouldn't know. I have a girlfriend.
Good save, good save. No, I'm just kidding. Who asked
Uncle,
that?
Pikachu.
Uh,
I don't know
Uncle
if I
Connor,
don't know if Pikachu's trolling or what.
it must be.
Uncle Connor,
What's up?
ons is op pad.
Jammer?
Ons is op pad.
Jy is op die pad. Okay.
I'm on my way. My leave now, almost away.
Give me 5 minutes. I still need to change.
No problem. We'll be outside.
Cool.
Chinese
check.
speaking English. Sounds
I'll
so
see you on
strange.
the airport. Wait, check you.
Cheers,
Cheers,
brother.
cheers.
Enjoy the beach, yeah? In grade 8, we had okay, I don't know, I can't remember exactly, but they told us they were foreign exchange students, right?
Yeah.
And then they walked into class, and I was like, "Konnichiwa," and then they go, "What's up, bro?" Yo, dude, I was like, "What?" I was like, "Oh shit." Yes.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. What's up, brother?
Steve likes the Asians.
I think
Yeah,
that is
Gold paid us today. Gave us our money from yesterday.
You paid us to wait today.
Not that we lost money yesterday, but yeah, Gold was heartless yesterday.
Yeah.
Had those pass stops in and then deleted them and it just ran up.
So today we're punishing Gold by making it go lower.
Surely TP.
Just be like a pip away.
Okay, there we go. So that's two TPs in a row. That's
48 pips.
It's not every day we hit TP. I mean, normally we have winning trades and we'll close out partials, get stopped out at break even. So this is really, really good stuff. Thanks, boys.
8 pips there.
48.
Nice. Yeah, I think that's honestly our work done for the morning, eh?
Yeah, that's our work done for the day.
Cool, but thank you very, very much for the stream, Con. Appreciate it.
Alright, no problem. Should we
Cheers,
expect a pullback soon? Are you heading off, Jared?
Yeah, I'm gonna head off now. I wanna quickly go to gym and alles before golf.
Okay, cool. Check you enjoy.
Cheers. Thanks, bro.
Cheers. Should we expect a pullback on gold? Look, that was quite a nice move, alright? If you got involved in that trade, it's better to just be grateful and walk away. I mean, we're nearing a lower volume time. We've had a nice move. It's probably best to come back in New York or wait for the news to play out. So we've got news at 2:15 and 4. You might even just want to wait for 4 o'clock after NYSE and after this news. And then you should have some nice potential there. Other than that, you know, I can't say if we'll pull back or range or continue to drive down. I just honestly, I would definitely call it a day, yeah, if you got involved in that. GJ's in a range, yeah. I'd still look out for buys above 165, 500. Gold, yeah, you just want to be careful for the rest of the day. I think next week things will be a lot cleaner on gold. So take it easy, guys. That's the stream. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.